is my Toyota Avensis Estate. So take the door panel off. The check strap, you can see there's all this cracking here on the inside where the check strap goes, which I've obviously removed. So I'm going to build a back plate to go behind there. So what I did, I used some silicone modelling putty, and I pushed that in behind the door into the where the check strap goes. You can see the marks there, the impressions that it's made. And so what I did with that takes about 20 minutes to set, and it comes away from the inside of the door quite nicely. And using that, I've used that to impress into some concrete. It's repair concrete. I'll push that in there to make an impression, and then used a piece of aluminium. It's 2mm aluminium to use the mould for the impression to start to create the back plate, which I've now done. So that's that. I'll show you how it goes in position on the car. Right, so here's the check strap, and it's going to go in there. I'll just put the phone down while I do that. There's the check strap now installed in the back plate, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's installed. So there it is, it's installed now. It's inside the door, and I've added some washers here to help support the area where it's cracked. So there's no welding. I've gone against the welding idea, because welding is just going to create a load of mess, and it's also going to make the rear of it irregular behind here, so that will make the connection of the plate behind not very good. So I'm not bothered with the welding, just tightened up the screws, and I'll show you the operation working in a second. Right, so there we are, the check strap is back in position, and I can now open and close the door. It's doing its job, nice and quiet. It was making a creaking sound before. It's nice and quiet now. See if I can see inside, show you inside. It just goes in there behind. That's the back plate there, behind the check strap. Just open and close the door, and it's just giving it a nice bit of buffer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.